Here's another product that you see all the time on the infomercials, and it's supposed to help you with a lot of the cleaning chores around your house. It's called the EasyJet water cannon. Pretty lightweight plastic, attaches to your water hose, has a little reservoir here you can pour some soap in. Then it has an adjustable nozzle on the end so that you can determine exactly what kind of spray that you want for the particular cleaning project that you're doing. Now they compare this to this in many ways in that it'll handle the same kind of task around your home, but I don't think so. This has got a motor on it that really multiplies your pounds per square inch pressure that you have from your water hose, and this basically just creates a nice spray. Now, to turn it on, you push it one notch and it turns the water on 2 notches and it'll mix soap with it, but the real test is to see just what it does on this dirty bench right here. So I'll put it forward there a little bit. You can see I can apply some soap on it. Then turn it straight just to the water. Maybe I can turn that up just a little bit in the velocity here. Let's see. That's a little stronger. That's more of a watering. There we go. And that's as strong as it gets. Let's see. It really doesn't look that clean to me. Now you think about it. This thing costs $20 plus $8 shipping and handling. It's $28. Now, is this 4 times better than a spray nozzle that you would buy that cost around $7? And the only advantage I can really see is you have the soap dispenser that allows you to apply a little soap while you're doing the cleaning chores. Well, is it worth it? Let's see. In my book, the EasyJet only gets a 1 out of 5 because it can't compete with a pressure washer for performance or an ordinary garden sprayer on price.